Hi everybody, I'm Hussein Sato, and in this video, in series of solving LinkedIn challenges, we will see how to solve the challenge that was posted by Omid, and the number of challenge is 87. In this challenge, we are provided with two tables. The first table is the table of prices. Here we have the price of products A and B in different dates. And in the second table, we have transactions. And we have many transactions in which we sold product B and A in different dates. And we need to determine the price for the product in this date. So if we choose, for example, this transaction, the product B on 26 April. What is the price? So first we need to filter this table to keep only the product B. Then we need to search for the last date before 26 April, or of course equal to 26 April. In our case, the date is 17 April and the price must be 18. So let's do it with the Excel formula. First, I have the steps here. We need to filter to keep only rows of the same product. So the first section, it will equal to filter B to D, where the column product is equal to B. If I check, so let's reduce this image here. Here we have the rows from the first table only for project B. And now we need to determine the price of B on this date. So I can just look up for this date into this in the first column, then get the result from the third column. And here we can see that our dates are not sorted, okay? Because here the dates are not sorted. 17 April, 3rd November, then the 1st of January of the same year. So here I will use VLOOKUP, and I will search for this date, and the second parameter is our table. The third parameter is the column index, column result, which is the third here. And the last parameter, we have to determine if it is approximate match or exact match. But we don't have an exact match in our cases, perhaps in some transaction. So I will just use this formula as it. And here we don't have any result because this date does not exist. But when we use VLOOKUP, if we omit to use the last parameter, the lookup is approximative, which means it will check for the exact match or the result that is smaller of this date. And here, if we look at the definition of VLOOKUP, they say logs for a value in the leftmost column of table and then return the value in the same column. By default, the table must be sorted in ascending order. So, because our table is not as sorted, so we got this NA result. So what we have to do first, before VLOOKUP, we need to sort this result, our table. So I can add here sort the result of filtering. Then we need to sort it by date, so the date is in the first column, and by default the sort order is ascending. Now if I omit, I will get the correct answer. Here is 12 because B on 21 February is price must we must use the price from the 1st January. And because I will copy the formula for the other cells, I have to make cells absolute reference. So I will use F-cut here, then F-cut here, F4, sorry, here. And I copy down my formula. And if I check with the result provided by Omid, we can see that we have our correct answer. And in this formula, I use three functions: VLOOKUP, which is an odd function, and two new functions, which are sort and fit. So we solved the problem given by Omid in his challenge 87. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on LinkedIn and on my YouTube channel. And goodbye.